Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lucid Dreams on the viola. First, let's get set up. Begin by identifying the song's key and time signature, which are crucial for accurate playing. Next, ensure your viola is perfectly tuned to the standard C, G, D strings. Proper tuning is the foundation for good intonation. Then, focus on your left hand position, keeping your fingers curved and ready. Finally, establish a relaxed, balanced bow hold for smooth strokes. These initial steps are vital for a successful start. Now, let's dive into left-hand techniques. Start by practicing the main melody primarily in first position, ensuring your fingers are precise. Pay close attention to smooth transitions between each note, avoiding any abrupt stops or hesitations. Incorporate a gentle vibrato to add warmth and expressiveness to your sound, making the melody truly sing. Remember to maintain consistent intonation, using your ear to adjust pitches as needed. These elements will bring the emotional depth of Lucid Dreams to life. Moving on to bowing, a smooth legato style is essential for Lucid Dreams. Aim for seamless connections between notes, allowing the sound to flow continuously. Experiment with varying your bow speed and pressure to create dynamic contrasts, from soft whispers to powerful statements. Practice your string crossings diligently, ensuring they are clean and efficient without any unwanted noise. For sustained notes, utilize the full length of your bow to produce a rich, resonant tone. Mastering these techniques will enhance your musical expression. Finally, here are some tips for practice and performance. Break Lucid Dreams into smaller, manageable sections, perhaps 4 to 8 measures at a time, to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Practice slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo as your accuracy improves. Recording yourself playing is incredibly helpful. Listen back critically to identify areas needing refinement. When performing, focus on conveying the emotion of the piece, playing with confidence and musicality. Enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful song to your viola.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.